SCORP Introduction for Button Operation and Appearance. This is FeiyuSCORP Gimbal. Integrates multifunction knob, trigger button, knob function switching button, FPV button, F1 button, 4-way joystick, mode button, and shutter button, 1.3-inch touchscreen, F2 button, kickstand, power button, A/B button, 2 extension focus motor ports, camera control port and image transmission port, tilt axis, roll axis, and pan axis. You can also extend the kickstand. Then the gimbal can be replaced on the table stably without a tripod. Thank you for watching.